If I had the information you have now, I would probably have become profitable a year earlier, at least. And my accounts would probably be twice as big, if not 3 times as big. Like these 3 setups, getting them served on a silver platter, I wish someone had done that for me. I had to, find these things out from like many different sources. And then verify for myself that they worked. Yeah, I'm gonna unlearn everything and then I'm gonna watch my own content and learn from myself. But also, it's not just the setups, guys. It's risk management. It's the ability to sit on your hands when the conditions are not favorable, okay? It's so many other things. Setups are easy. Like any retard can identify good setup. I've literally seen retards identify good setups. But you need there's so many other things that need to be in place. Position sizing, like there's so many moving parts. And especially when it comes to breakouts, like if the market is not good, the breakout is not gonna work. It's just that simple. Or the fail rate is gonna be very, very high. Yeah, stock selection, exactly. That's why ADR, the 5% ADR rule is a very good cutoff for stock selection. You get rid of 95% of the time-wasting stocks. And even that is not a guarantee. You still have to do discretionary analysis. Exactly. Even retards can draw lines. Trend lines. That's true. To invest money outside like retail rental properties? No. There is always opportunity in the markets. Much, much bigger opportunity. If you know how to trade, the best opportunities will always be in the stock market. That's where you get the best returns. There's always opportunity. Even in bear markets, there's opportunities if you know how to trade and how to manage risk. Life has new life. Yeah. I don't even know why this thing was up in the first place. Rig, good swing short. Yeah, I don't see this. I see what you see, but I don't. It's well, first of all, it's a small cap, okay? Don't short small caps, okay? One day you're gonna wake up, it's gonna be bought out at 100% premium. Don't short those things. And 2, it's not really a high probability setup. If you're gonna short breakdowns, do it on ETFs or like the large mega cap stocks. Never do it on like small and micro cap stocks. You're just asking for it. You're not gonna last for long. Not gonna last for long. UPSD, I don't see a setup there. This flag is too short. And also I may be biased since I sold my shares like on this day here. I don't want it to go higher now. So I may be a little bit biased. BTCM, my thoughts. Yeah, this thing had a 5-star setup here on this day here. Had a nice little pop. And now it's building higher lows. But there's no setup here. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. D-Dog, I don't see a setup here. Last time it had a setup was here. This was a really good setup. couple of weeks before earnings. This is, I don't know, it's very choppy. It's all over the place. And there's also the markets are weak. Yeah, ASAN was a perfect combination of a breakout and EP. It was a very good setup. I wish I could have traded it. It's just too illiquid for me. It's up like 25% since 27. When I entered Pan W, I entered it on the EP here. It was a perfect setup. It's a slow name, but this is what I'm forced to trade nowadays. It had a like 6 months flag breakout, had been building higher lows for like 4 or 5 months, and then it had this high volume breakout. 5-star. But not the fastest mover. ASAN faded on the first day. Yeah, and then it reset up, found support on a 10-day, and it came all the way back and took out the highs of the day. PLTR breakout, I saw it, but this is, again, I've been very cautious. It wasn't a great one. Like it's not really a big momentum stock or anything. It's coming out of range, but you know, I don't know. Breakouts haven't been working that well lately, so I just passed on it. TGTX. Yeah, it's flagging nicely. It is flagging nicely. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it looks pretty ready. It looks ready to me. Just needs to break out. Is Bill worth looking at? No. I don't see a setup here. It did have a nice CP though. I unfortunately missed it. I was watching it, but then I didn't watch it. I saw it pre-market, but then I didn't follow it. But it had a nice high volume EP. This is 5-star. The EP was 5-star. And you know, this thing could go to 350, 400 or whatnot.